At ayun na nga, hindi na tayo magkarinigan dito, partner.
Hindi na tayo magkakarinigan mamaya kasi both drums will be hearing here. And
the fastest growing fiber internet got even faster. Again, dahil ang doble na, di noble pa. Converge Fiber X Plan 1.5 from 100 Mbps is now 200 Mbps. Doble ulit ang bilis, doble ulit ang sulit. If you're an existing subscriber, automatic upgrade ito. And if you want to make it permanent, just agree to our new terms and conditions. As simple as that, no new application, and it's absolutely free. New Converge Fiber X Plan 1.5. Ang dobleng sulit, new offers from Converge. Doble na, di noble pa!
Big or small celebration, make it special, make it big.
It's Bucal Sunday Bicolandia, and for our last game, a very expected match from the ACLC Hawks against the Ateneo Junior Knights. I'm Aljon Pogo, and with me is LA Lapid, at kami po ang makakasama ninyo sa bakbakan ng Hawks against Knights.
As syempre partner, we would like to mention also our media partners, One Media, TV48 Naga, Bucal Facebook page, at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon, and also to ito nga, mainit na bakbakan ngayong hapon. Both teams are undefeated, the ACLC Hawks and the Ateneo Golden Knights. Both teams 1-0 record are on the line, and at the end of this match, sadly, may mananalo, may matatalo talaga. And someone's zero has to go.
That's true. These both teams already had 1 win and 0 loss. So talagang bakbakan to kung sino talaga ang mas matibay. And guys, looking at the crowds here, punong-puno po ang Ateneo de Naga Gymnasium ngayon. Both supporters are from ACLC and Ateneo. So ano pa ba ang masasabi natin? This is a very exciting match, LA.
And yun nga partner, to give us an update sa side ng ACLC Hawks. Alam ko excited na tayo. Let's call on our courtside reporter na si Zai. And ayun nga partner, nakikita dito sa ating screens, the Hawks we're preparing, and also to give us an update sa side ng ating ACLC Hawks, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Zai. Hi Zai, ano balita natin dyan?
Marhay na daw Aljon and LA at marhay na daw Bicolandia. Our viewers via Bucal Facebook page and One Media TV48 Naga. I welcome you to the big game of the day, the AClc Computer Learning Center versus Ateneo de Naga University. This is your courtside correspondent from the side of the voice of the story, the AClc Computer Learning Center. Talagang when it comes to supporting their team, the ACLC community surely goes all out, and we can see it at their bleachers. It's raining blue and white from of the drums and the cheer of the people. Kaya naman stay tuned lamang here at One Media TV48 Naga, Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Zai. So talaga lamang, in terms of supporters, talagang all out ang ACLC Hawks. So makikita natin dito, ang ACLC ay nag-warm up na to head on the Ateneo Junior Knights.
Kung matatandaan natin partner, the ACLC Hawks have won the best crowd ever last season. And they are hoping to get that award once again this season. And now, to give us an update sa side ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights, let's call our courtside reporter, Angel. This afternoon, Angel, anong balita natin dyan?
This afternoon to you guys and to all the basketball aficionados across the Philippines. Get ready to witness the second game of the Ateneo Junior Golden Knights this season, facing all the formidable ACLC Hawks only here at the Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium. You can also tune in via our Facebook page here at Bucal, One Media TV48 Naga, and Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Our Ateneo Junior Golden Knights is here with their unwavering, determined efforts to get that ball. They're also here with their mantra, one big fight. This is Angel B. Tupano, your courtside correspondent from the bench of the Junior Golden Knights. And I will be back for more updates. Primum Regnum Dei. Over to you guys.
Thank you so much, Angel. So it's all about all out and being a determined team. And in terms of being a determined team, Ateneo showcased that on their last game and really one big fight for them. So pasalamatan muna natin, LA, ang ating mga sponsors before we head onto our game today.
Yes, we have Havaianas, Big Steiner, and Elite Sportswear. Maraming salamat po sa inyong suporta.
We also like to thank Naga College Foundation, the home of the champions, Gold Glofa Construction, Lemon Residences, Lemon Experience Home Living, and Gena Trading. Presyong maaasahan sa kalidad na magkakatiwalaan, BMEG Premium. Sa totoong premium feeds, mabilis na ang paglaki, mabilis na ang kita. NCF Wings, because tigers can have wings. We also would like to thank Han Shabu Shabu Buffet Restaurant, Converge ITT Solution, Filipina Shell, NCF indoor firing range, first world-class indoor firing range in the Bucal region, SMC Naga, NCF training pool, and NCF driving school.
Yan, maraming salamat sa ating mga sponsors ngayong hapon. At halos hindi na nga tayo magkarinigan, partner, from these roaring crowds from both these teams. The ACLC Hawks, we are seeing here the roaring sea of blue crowds courtesy of the ACLC community. At ito na nga, tip off. It's the Golden Knights versus the Hawks, as the tip-off was won by the Hawks. Jersey number 5 of the Hawks has the ball, passes to jersey number 25 to number 14. Jersey number 5 tries a three-pointer. That's good! First point goes to the Hawks.
At bola ngayon ng Golden Knights, so we'll see kung makakapunto sila dito. Pumasok, no good, makukuha yan ng Hawks.
Yes, jersey number 5 passes the ball to jersey number 14. Inside pass, pero stripped away. Ball will be staying for the Hawks, as the Hawks will be inbounding the ball. Inside pass to jersey number 34. Blocked there by jersey number 18 of the Golden Knights.
So LA, first quarter pa lang, talagang 3 points ang pinakita sa atin ng Hawks.
Yes, bomba agad dito ang Hawks as number 25 tries the basket, no good. Golden Knights
Makukuha
now.
ngayon ng Golden Knights, an open shot and right on the basket.
Ayan na, ACLC Hawks. Jersey number 5 runs the ball, passes to number 25. Jersey number 5 tries again for 3. That's good! Dalawang sunod na 3-point agad para kay Bautista. 6-2 na ating score in favor of the Hawks.
ATENEO ngayon, chance para bumawi. Solomon, number 12 na ng bola, 4-2, no good.
Klaro
Makukuha
ngayon.
pa rin yan. Yes, ng ATENEO. And a turnover.
A very tense afternoon here inside the gymnasium.
Ball to inbound, ATENEO. Jersey number 3, papasok, titira, no good.
Rebound ngayon dito ng Hawks. Long pass to jersey number 21. Babalik dito kay jersey number 34. Passes to jersey number 14. 3-pointer. And no good.
Makukuha yan ng ATENEO. ATENEO, chance to counter here. Sumasalaksak sa loob, no good. A rebound.
Defensive rebound ng Hawks. Number 14. Passes to jersey number 5. Number 14. To number 5. Number 25 for 3. No good. Rebound dito ng Golden Knights.
Ball possession ngayon ng ATENEO. A long pass. Agawa, may dala ng bola. Passes to number 17. Papasok sa loob and natawagan dito ng foul.
First foul dito ni jersey number 21 ng Hawks.
At makakakuha dito ng free throw ang ATENEO Junior Knights.
Mainit na agad na bakbakan dito sa ATENEO Naga University Gymnasium. 7 minutes and 20 seconds pa lamang dito sa ating first quarter. And we see here the traditional taas kamay ATENEO when Golden Knights are shooting their free
That's
throws.
True LA. Ganyan ang ATENEO supporters. No good again.
As Hawks now on the offense. Number 23, floater shot. That's good. At
Ball
Golden Knights
possession.
now
Mga possession ngayon ng Ateneo at nakuha yan ng ACLC.
Stolen there by the Golden Knights, number 27, Umariba. Layup. That's good.
Nakabawi doon ng Ateneo. Ball possession ngayon ng ACLC. Chance to counter here. Passes 34, balik. 25, a mid shot. And right off the basket.
Back-to-back basket for both teams as the Golden Knights now in offense. Number 12 passes the ball to jersey number 18 to number 3. Number 12 ties a three-pointer off his own. And no good defensive rebound by the Hawks.
Ang pass. Yan a violation. Kicking the ball. Turnover dito. ACLC to inbound.
Hawks now. Golden Knights on the offense. Claro to jersey number 7. Pero may foul na nakita doon ang ating referee and ball will stay
LA.
on the side of the Golden Knights.
At ang bola mapupunta pa rin sa Ateneo.
Jersey number 15 guarded by number 25.
Number 7 ngayon, may dala ng bola. Papasok sa loob. No good. Balik
12.
sa Ateneo for 3. Wala pa rin. Wala pa rin.
Ranin. Double team there by the Hawks. Jersey number 27. Nabitawan ng bola. 9 seconds to shoot. Inside pass to Ranin. Ranin tries again. Contact. Plus a basket. And he will shoot for a 3-point play opportunity.
Tama ka dyan, LA. Talagang hindi binitawan ng Ateneo ang bola na yon hanggang hindi nila nakukuha ang puntos. And a free throw for them.
And quick shoutouts tayo dito. Shoutout to Angelica May Peñaflor, Andre Noriega, and Hannah Velasco. And gusto din natin partner pasalamatan ng Havaianas. And mamaya, speaking of Havaianas, kahit sino sa mga fans, kung sino man sa fans ang mapipili to shoot a 3 points, ay makakakuha ng slippers from Havaianas. Di ba partner? Sana all. And
That's
hashtag,
true, partner.
baka naman, Havaianas.
So nanood na sila at makakakuha pa sila ng prizes mamaya. But for now, free throw for Ateneo. No good.
As the Hawks now in offense, jersey number 5. Nabitawan ni jersey number 23. Pero backward violation and ball will go to the side of the Golden Knights.
Ateneo pa rin ngayon. Ang mag-inbound. Jersey number 12 looking for his teammate. And
Offensive foul.
yes, LA. ACLC ngayon to inbound. Pass number 2017. Papasok. Number 5. For 3. That's right on the basket.
Open 3-pointer doon kay jersey number 27. As the Golden Knights are trailing a jersey number 12. Floater shot, no good.
Makukuha yan ang ACLC ngayon. Chance to shoot again. A fadeaway shot, no good.
Layup, that's good for jersey number 27 of the Golden Knights, Nico Hakob. As the Hawks now in possession, pass to number 14. Corner 3-pointer, no good. Jersey number 12, running. Layup. Off balance shot. Still gets it. 2 points for jersey number 12.
ACLC ngayon. Babawi. Ball possession sila ngayon. What will they do? Pass to number 14. An inside pass. No good.
May foul doon na itinawag ang ating referee. With jersey number 17 from the side of the Hawks, and the Golden Knights will be inbounding the ball. 3 points na lamang ang kalamangan dito ng Hawks. 3 minutes and 57 seconds remaining here in the first quarter.
At LA na ibaba na lang nga sa 3 ang kalamangan ngayon ng Hawks. Sumahabol pa rin ang ATENEO, but it's only a 3 points. So we'll see if they can take the lead here. Jersey number 7, pass to 17. Looking for his teammate.
Penalty situation na nga dito ang Hawks, as the Golden Knights will be shooting for 2 free throws. First free throw by jersey number 7. Peñaredondo.
And LA, pasalamatan naman natin at i-shout out natin ang Bucal Volunteers, One Media TV48, Naga. Thank you so much.
Sa patuloy na pagsuporta
That's true.
dito sa Bucal Season 5. And also, sa ating mga timbahay, if you have a free time, you can also watch inside the Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium. At baka kayo pa ang manalo ng free sleepers from Havaianas.
Bola ngayon ng ACLC. Isa na lang kalamangan nila for 3. No good. Makukuha ng Ateneo.
Man-to-man trapping dito ang Hawks as running. Layup.
No good.
Hawks now.
ACLC ngayon. Yes, Lapi. Dumaarangkada. And a foul here.
Mainit agad. Nasagupaan. 3 minutes and 17 seconds remaining here in the first quarter. And only a 1-point lead courtesy of the Hawks, as jersey number 2 will be shooting free throws and extending the lead to 3 points. First basket, no good. As Barredo will be taking his second free throw attempt. No good for both free throws. That's the Golden Knights now. Defensive rebound. Ranin double teamed.
Golden Knights ngayon. Madala ng bola. Jersey number 1 nahihirapan dito. Pass to number 24. Looking to shoot. Papasok sa loob. No good. Bola pa rin yan ng Ateneo. What will they going to do in this 2 minutes and 55 seconds?
Traveling violation.
And that's the traveling brought to you by Nagayon Travel and Tours. Nagayon, live your dreams, create memories.
As jersey number 24 now, Trinidad on the offense. Passes to jersey number 27, Hopio. Jersey number 14 for 3. No good. Penalty situation na dito ang Hawks, as jersey number 24, Ranin, will be shooting 2 free throws.
So naibaba pa rin ang Ateneo sa isa ang kalamangan ng Hawks, and we'll see in this end. We are now on our first deadlock in this quarter. Can Ateneo continue to take the lead for the first time for our first quarter. And lamang sila dito ng isa.
Hawks now on the offense. Jersey number 2. 24 rather. Bantay sarado dito ni jersey number 7. Ranin takes jersey number 24. Pressured inside ang Hawks.
Yes, that's good. What a good pass.
As Ranin now on the offense. Passes to jersey number 7. Hawks stripped away. Jersey number 9. Layup. No good, pero second chance point by jersey number 2, Barredo. At mapapatawag dito ng timeout ng Ateneo Golden Knights. 17-14 in favor of the Hawks. This is Bucal Season 5 only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. We're back live here inside the Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium. 3 points ang kalamangan dito ng Hawks. And also, shout out to our photographers, volunteer photographers. In Bucal Season 5, we have C Photography. Photography ni Wewe and Jerwin Baidal Dumalasa. Maraming salamat. At kung manunod kayo dito inside the Ateneo de Naga University Gymnasium, pwede nyo pang pang-profile picture kung sakaling mapicturan kayo ng isa sa ating mga photographers.
That's true, LA. And back in the hard court, nakuha pa rin nga ng kalamangan ng Hawks. But for the meantime, bola ngayon ng Ateneo. Jersey number 24, papasok sa loob. And that's right on the basket.
Trinidad now on the offense. Guarded there by Ranin. Jersey number 9, Carreras. Jersey number 2, two-pointer. That's good by Barredo.
Ateneo ngayon, may hawak ng bola. And a steal for the Hawks. Paso number 24 na pa sobra.
Foul dito ang ACLC Hawks. 13th foul for the Golden Knights. Di nagkakalayuan ng mga scores ngayong hapon. At mainit na mainit ang pagtanggap ng crowds from the Ateneo community and the ACLC community. As the Hawks now in offense. Number 9 to inbound the ball.
Trinidad may hawak ng bola. Paso number 25. Looking to shoot. And that's good.
Full court, man-to-man trapping na dito ang Hawks. As jersey number 6 of the Golden Knights passes it to jersey number 7.
And a steal, LA, for the Hawks. We'll see if they can penetrate a point here. Paso number 25. For 2. No good. Pabalik sa kanya. And a steal for the Nats. At nakuha yan. Nag-aawalan dito.
An exchange of steal sequencing ang nakita natin dito sa both teams. 49 seconds na lamang natitira dito sa ating first quarter. As the Hawks still in the lead. Number 9. Carreras will be inbounding the ball past to jersey number 27 for 3. No good.
Balik kay Trinidad ang bola. Pass to number 27. 8 seconds on the shot clock. And a steal for the Junior Knights. An open shot here. A foul. Yes, LA.
Golden Knights here will be shooting 2 free throws. If he makes these 2 free throws, this will shorten the lead just to 3 points. Both teams now in penalty situation. We see once again here the Ateneo community, the traditional Ateneo.
No good
Taas
LA
kamay.
for the first attempt. In that free throw by Agawa. And that's clean basket for Agawa.
Hawks now, jersey number 27 passes to jersey number 2. Inside pass, jersey number 25 layup, no good. Claro passes to jersey number 5.
And that was a traveling and brought to you by Nagayon Travel and Tours. Nagayon, live your dreams, create memories.
And that's gonna be it for our first quarter. 21-17 in favor of the ACLC Hawks. This is Bucal Season 5 only here on Aragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon. We will be right back.
And we are back live na live dito sa Ateneo de Naga Gymnasium and live sa aming mga online live stream, Facebook page, Bucal, Aragon Sports TV, One Media TV 48 Naga, and our YouTube channel, One Media TV 48 Naga. 21-17 lamang dito ang ACLC Hawks.
It's the continuation of the Juniors Basketball Division Super Showdown Spectacle. As the Golden Knights now, ball will stay on the side of the Golden Knights. 16 seconds to shoot. It's jersey number 3 of the Golden Knights rushing. Turnover. Bola ngayon dito ng Hawks. And to give us an update sa side ng ating Ateneo Golden Knights, let's call on our courtside reporter na si Angel. Hi Angel, anong balita natin dyan?
Alden and LA, the Hawks are leading the game off to a strong start of the first and second quarter of the game. The Junior Golden Knight is implementing the 2-3 half-court defense with hopes of narrowing the gap. Coach Mack and Coach Cap wants a player to distribute the ball and aim for a more successful shots. Well then, stay with us as the Junior Golden Knights slash their way to the top. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Angel. So, Coach Trepulka wants their team to really distribute the ball and really closing the gap. Kasi lamang na dito ang ACLC Hawks at ayaw nilang palakihin pa ang gap ng lamang nila.
9 points ang lamang dito. And to give us an update sa side ng ACLC Hawks, let's call on our courtside reporter na si Zai. Hi Zai, ano balita natin dyan?
LA and Adnu, it is indeed the big game of the day. I just witnessed the most nerve-wracking and exciting gameplay made by the Hawks and the Golden Knights. We can see how much they trained for this season. The Hawks have a plan of game in mind, that's why they are currently initiating a man-to-man defense dito sa loob ng bench. Back to you, Aljon and LA.
Thank you so much, Shai. So dito naman sa ACLC, they want to solidify their defense and also don't be complacent kasi knowing Ateneo, they can make a run and really take the lead in a competition like this.
And it's just the second quarter. Anything can happen in the next quarters. Anyone can take the lead. And anyone can get this game on their hands.
That's
As the
true,
Golden
LA.
Knights now. Basket plus a foul. Claro will be stepping on the line for a 3-point play opportunity.
And LA, batiin naman natin dito ang ating mga live viewers kay John Rafael Valencia. Go Ateneo. John Paulo Recto supporting the ACLC, and kay Marniela Verido watching from Calawag. Thank you so much for watching.
Hawks now on the offense. Jersey number 21. Inside pass. Stolen there. May foul na nakita doon ang ating referee, and itatawag yon kay jersey number 23 ng Golden Knights. As the Hawks now on the offense. Jersey number 1. Pass to jersey number 2. In and out.
Makukuha yan ng Ateneo ngayon. Chance to counter here. Pass to number 12. Looking for his teammate. Papasok sa loob. Pass and no good. Agawan ng bola. Mapupunta yan sa Hawks. And a turnover. Ateneo ngayon ang bola.
Jersey number 23 passes it to jersey number 27 of the Golden Knights, as jersey number 27 nagmamadali. Layup. No good, pero he will be shooting for 2 free throws. Nico Jacob will be shooting 2 free throws, and his first attempt is no good.
So another free throw for Jacob. No good at that time. Ball possession ngayon ng ACLC. Passes to jersey number 1. Balik sa kanya. Looking for his teammate. 4-3. Tapos.
Naka 3-2 zone defense doon kanina ang Golden Knights. As the Golden Knights now in possession. Jersey number 18. Double teamed. Jersey number 12. Great recovery here by jersey number 20, jersey number 7 of the Golden Knights. That's number 27 inside. Foul there. It's jersey number 27, and they will be shooting for 2 free throws.
Napapadami na dito ang fouls ng ACLC, and that makes them give the opportunity for a free throw shot in the Junior Golden Knights.
6 points na lamang dito ang kalamangan
That's
ng Hawks.
true. LA, talagang tinatrabaho dito ng Junior Knights to really close the gap here.
Hawks now to inbound the ball. Jersey number 1. 27 for 3. No good. Defensive rebound by the Golden Knights. Jersey number 27. Layup.
Defensive rebound dito ang Hawks. Pass to number 1. Number 34. Titira. And lumabas.
In and out as Claro double teamed here by the Hawks. Jersey number 7 of the Golden Knights rushing to the basket. But there is a foul called by our referee and they will be shooting for 2 free throws.
Another free throw LA sa Ateneo.
Dave Peña Redondo will be shooting 2 free throws.
Dito medyo LA nagkakaproblema ang ACLC in terms of their fouls kasi binibigyan nila ng opportunity ang Junior Knights na mahabol sila.
Yes, and very crucial yung mga fouls na binibigay dito ng Hawks since a free throw, even though it's 1 point, pwede pa din kayong habulin ng inyong opponent.
That's true, LA. Ball possession ngayon ng Hawks. Another turnover here for Ateneo.
Golden Knights.
And a steal for ACLC. And right on the basket.
Out of bounds. Ball possession will stay on the side of the Hawks. And timeout dito ngayon ang ACLC Hawks with 6 minutes and 18 seconds remaining here in the second quarter. 28 and 23. Abante dito ang Hawks. This is Bucal Season 5. All here on Oragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon. We're back live here inside the ATENEO de Naga University Gymnasium for your Bucal Season 5. An intense matchup between the Golden Knights and the Hawks.
So LA, talagang ang crowd natin dito pang championship na, but mga kapamilya, hindi pa po the championship. This is just an elimination round for our juniors division.
Makikita natin dito na the Hawks now in penalty situation after committing fouls kanina, and it is very crucial na yung fouls na ma-convert into free throws ng Ateneo. Sabi nga niya ni Coach Roger, lihis tayo sa basketball, dito tayo sa volleyball, na kahit pa 1,000 points ang kalaban, kung lagi magfa-foul or lagi mag-shoot ng 1 point na free throw, mahahabol na mahahabol ang score na 1,000.
Tama ka dyan, LA. But for the meantime, ball possession ang ACLC Hawks. Number 23, may dala ng bola. Looking for his teammate dito. And a steal for the Ateneo. An open shot. And that's good.
Cutting down the lead just to 1 point now here in the second quarter. Number 5 now on the offense. Pass to number 23. Inside pass. Pero may foul doon na nakita ang ating referee. At itatawag yon kay jersey number 27, Nico Jacob.
At makakakuha dyan ng bola ang ACLC. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Pass to number 5. An inside pass. Pass number 27. A 3, no good. Makukuha yan ng Ateneo.
Ranin on the offense. Pass to jersey number 7. Book open. Open shot there by jersey number 27. Still no good. Pero stripped away by the Golden Knights. Still here by the Hawks. As jersey number 9 running to the basket. Stolen here by jersey number 24, Ranin. Nagmamadali. Layup. That's good. Plus a foul. They will be shooting for 2 free throws at nakuha na nila ang kalamangan this second quarter.
At namang na nga ng isa ang Ateneo dito, nakakuha pa ng foul. It means that they'll have a chance to take the lead here for our second quarter.
Second quarter feels like a fourth quarter. Yan ang ipinararamdam sa atin ng crowds, ng Ateneo community and the ACLC community. Two-point lead dito ang abante ng Golden Knights as Ranin makes that 3-point play opportunity. Hawks now. Back to number 5. Thought about a 3. And
For 3. No good. Nakukuha yan ng Ateneo.
blocked there by the Hawks. That's jersey number 25. Foul doon. May foul na nakita ang ating referee. And ball possession will be going sa Hawks. Substitution here ang Golden Knights.
Ball to inbound ngayon ang ACLC. We'll see kung makakahabol sila dito. And that's clearly a traveling. And that's brought to you by Naga Travel and Tours. Naga, live your dreams, create memories.
Golden Knights inbound. Pass to jersey number 18. Jersey number 8. Three-pointer. No good. Rebound here by the Hawks. Number 2, layup. That's good. Deadlock again here.
And a deadlock here for our second quarter. Ateneo. Makukuha yan ng ACLC. A layup there right on the basket.
Exchange of leads we are seeing here. Pero may foul na itawag doon ng ating referee. And both teams now in penalty situation. Three minutes and 36 seconds remaining here in the second quarter. As jersey number 8 now will be shooting these 2 free throws. And also a chance to tie the game or shorten the lead just to 1 point. Makes his first free throw. Punong-puno na nga dito sa loob ng ating Ateneo Gymnasium. It's jersey number 8. Second free throw. That's good.
And LA, another deadlock here for second quarter. Chance para bumawi dito ang ACLC. 14. And right on the basket.
Kanina pa nagpapalitan ng kalamangan dito sa second quarter as jersey number 18 of the Golden Knights.
And a steal here. Turnover yan. Sayang. Ang bola na yon. And ACLC to inbound.
Number 5.
4-3. Makukuha yun ng Ateneo. And a steal again for ACLC. Passes to number 9 for 3. No good. Balik sa ACLC.
3 to zone defense. Double team dito ang Hawks. As the Golden Knights still scrambling and Hawks still no good. Pero offense pa rin dito ng Hawks. And their coach is telling them to relax.
Wala pa rin. Ateneo ngayon ng bola. Papasok sa loob.
Deadlock again here, partner. 2 minutes and 15 seconds remaining here in the second quarter.
And another deadlock, LA. ACLC. And right on the basket.
A change of lead again. Again and again and again, a change of lead are we seeing here from the ACLC Hawks. And the Ateneo Golden Knights called here a timeout. 2 minutes and 7 seconds remaining here in the second quarter. And pag-usapan natin, partner, kanina pa, change of leads and also a series of deadlocks. Both teams aren't willing to back down. And pero 1-0 record must be a 1-1 after this matchup.
That's true, LA. Talagang kinakapitan ng dalawang teams ang kanilang 1-0 loss dito sa elimination round, and makikita natin talagang ang crowds naman talaga, the overwhelming supports for these players. And ngayon nga, ang bola ay nasa ACLC. Titingnan natin kung makakalabang ba talaga sila dito. And they are now on the free throw.
It's not about who wants to win this game, and it's about who really is willing, or who really are willing to get this match and get a victory down the road. As the Hawks now,
And right on the basket.
di nagkakalayuan ulit ang kalamangan dito ng Hawks as they have 3-point lead.
And another turnover.
Unforced error dito ng Golden Knights as the Hawks now in possession and will be inbounding the ball.
For 3. No good. Makukuha yan ng Junior Knights. An open shot. And that's good.
1-point lead ulit dito ang hawak na kalamangan ng Hawks as jersey number 9, Carreras. Pass to jersey number 14, Javier, back to Carreras. Unforced error or turnover dito sa Hawks as the Golden Knights in possession.
Pang possession nga ng Ateneo. Nahihirapan dito.
One minute and 31 seconds remaining here in the second quarter as Coach JP Deswanco of the ACLC Hawks called a timeout. And also, partner, pasalamatan natin ang ating mga sponsors. They have Ayanas, Big's Diner, and Elise Sportswear. We have here the Naga College Foundation, the home of the champions. Gold Glofa Construction, Lemon Residences, Lemon Experience Home Living, and Jenna Trading, presyong maaasahan sa kalidad na mapagkakatiwalaan. Bimeg Premium sa totoong premium feeds. Mabilis na ang paglaki, mabilis pa ang kita. NCF Wings because tigers can have wings. Han Shabu Shabu Buffet Restaurant, Converge ICT Solution, Pilipinas Shell, Nagayon Travel and Tours, Nagayon Live Your Dreams, Create Memories, NCFV Gallery and Museum, Julia Outdoor Advertising and Printing, Tigers Cafe located at NCF Main and NCF Annex, NCF Indoor Firing Range, first world-class indoor firing range in Bucal region, SM City Naga, NCF Training Pool at NCF Driving School. Maraming salamat po sa patuloy niyo pagsuporta dito sa Bucal Season 5.
I'd like to thank the supporters here na talaga namang sumisigaw every points here. And for the meantime, ACLC to impound.
Verses.
No good. Makukuha yan ng Ateneo and a steal. Ateneo ngayon umaarangkada. Number 15. No good.
Foul dito ni Verses. Si Claro as Claro will step on the line for 2 free throws. Nakita natin last time nung naglaban ang ACLC and USI Falcons. Maganda yung pinakitang pressure and also ginagamit din ni Russell Bercy ang kanyang height advantage when it comes to pressuring the opponents.
At nakalamang lang nga dito ng isa ang Ateneo and we'll see kung makakahabol ang ACLC.
One minute and 5 seconds remaining here bago matapos ang ating second quarter as jersey number 2 now on the offense. Barredo pass to jersey number 5, Bautista. Barredo struggling. Bautista spins, shoots,
And
basket's good.
And that's right on the basket.
Foul doon ang Ateneo Golden Knights as they will once again step on the line for 2 free throws. Seth Belano will be taking 2 free throws. Siyempre, shoutout muna tayo dito sa mga nanunood sa Bucal Season 5. Shoutout tayo dito kay Lois Papa and Angelica Kim Toledo. We also have here Julie Shelo and Rick Puerta. Salamat sa patuloy na pagtangkilik dito sa Bucal Season 5. 49 seconds na lamang natitira dito sa second quarter.
And that's basket. Another deadlock. Bola ngayon ng ACLC. We'll see if they can take the lead here. At 3. No good. Makukuha ng ACLC again. A big man. Tries. No good.
Rebound pa rin dito ng Hawks.
Number 9 for 3. No good again.
Jersey number 3 of the Ateneo nagpamadali. Pero nagaw dito ng Hawks as jersey number 9. And half-court shot but doesn't get set to fall.
Wala pa rin.
Deadlock pa rin tayo dito here.
At bola ngayon ng Ateneo. 3 seconds remaining.
That's gonna do it for our second quarter. Deadlock 39 and 39 to end the second quarter. This is Bucal Season 5 only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Magbabalik po kami.
Gymnasium, so welcome sa ATENEO Naga Gymnasium. I am Angelo Espinosilia, the host of Bucal, no, ever since season 1. And now, seemingly the ambassador of Havaianas. So for the halftime break, we will be having a Havashot. Yeah, thank you. We will be having a Havashot 3-point competition. So, here's the mechanics of the game. Pipili po kami ng 4 sa audience, 2 from Ateneo, and 2 from ACLC. Sino gustong manalo ng Havaianas merchandise? Okay, and para exciting and fair ang ball game natin, iikot po ang ating Havaianas Beach Ball para piliin ang contender. Kapag babae ang napili, they will take the shot from the free throw line. No, to be fair. And kapag lalaki naman, they will have to take it from the 3-point line. Okay? May I ask the assistance of our Bucal volunteers to throw the ball to both sides. So again, pipili po tayo ng dalawa from Ateneo and dalawa from ACLC. Kung sino ang matigilan ng music, no, siya po yung pupunta dito sa baba. Again, we will play some music. You will pass the ball around. And kung sino ang matigilan ng bola, sila yung maglalaro sa ating Havaianas Have a Shot. Brought to you by Havaianas SM City Naga. Alright, Ma'am Alex, let's have some music and let's pass the Havaianas beach ball around. Ipasa po, 1 second lang dapat sa kamay. Sige, ipasa. Ipasa. Ipasa.
Wake up, it's a new beginning. Get up, it's a brand new day. Sky's blue and the sun
Pasang
is
bola!
shining.
Sino
This
kaya
time it's gonna be
ang may
different,
chance
baby.
ang manalo ng ating Havaianas
Summertime
ball?
is here.
Yan! Palo! Palo! Pasa! Ingat lang po tayo!
'Cause summertime is
Kunin na! Alright! Sino may hawak ng bola? Sir, punta ka na po dito from Ateneo side. And dito naman, punta ka na. Meron na tayong isang winner, isang contender rather, from Ateneo and isa from ACLC. Sige, punta na po dito, sir. And then we will choose one more. So ipapasa po ulit natin ang bola, no, para sa ating contender. Hopefully, no, may babaeng makakuha, no, para interesting ang ating laro. Alright? Music, again, Ma'am Alex, and let's go the ball down.
stand up, groove to the music. Hands up, we'll party through the night. Who's bright, the fire is
Alright, tumigil ang bola. Sino natigilan? ACLC. So dapat po Ateneo. Ateneo po tayo dito. No? Dito meron na ba? Sige, one more time, Ma'am Alex.
this time it's
Pass the
gonna
ball
be
around once
alright.
again.
Summertime has come. We'll have endless days of fun. Can't seem to be done. 'Cause summertime has come. Ooh, in the summer heat, going let's see summer beach. We'll run to the beach and make love. Days always colorful, days always. Days always colorful, days always.
Okay, sino ang last? Okay, puntahan na po dito, sir. Sige. Okay na yan, lahat lalaki ang ating contenders. So we have 2 from Ateneo and 2 from ACLC. So while we're waiting, so again, ang instruction po, kayong una, dalawa, sir, magtitira ng 3-point. Pag nakuha nyo yung tira, sa inyo na agad yung premyo. So our next contenders will be waiting. Isang shot lang po. No, Have a Shot brought to you by Havaianas, one of the leading flip-flops brand in the world. So puntahan na po natin ang ating contender from Ateneo. No, very exciting ito kasi ACLC has been dominating in the first quarter and almost making a comeback si Ateneo for the second quarter. Tingnan natin sa ating mini-match. Punta na po tayo dito, sir. Sir, anong pangalan po? Interview mo ng konti.
Choy lang po.
Okay. Sigaw ka muna, sir. Havaianas, have a shot, and then take your shot. Havaianas, have a shot.
Havaianas, have a shot.
Alright! I-cheer natin ang contender from Ateneo! One shot, have a shot. Here we go. Alright, we have a chance. Our familiar face here. Anong pangalan?
Vegan naman po. Vegan naman.
Okay, shout out mo naman ang ACLC.
Shout out! Hey!
Alright, sigaw ka. Havayanas, have a shot.
Havayanas, have a shot!
Take your shot. Pag wala pong nakakuha, pipili ulit tayo ng contenders. No good, almost, but thank you. So you have a chance, sir. Anong pangalan?
Ignatius Saber B. Pero.
Wow, very Atenean si Ignatius. Sige, sigaw ka. Havayanas, have a shot.
Havayanas, have a shot!
Now, take your shot, Saint Ignatius. Just kidding. Sana ang swerte ng santo ay mapasayo. Science and health. At eto na ang ating last contender. Sige, anong pangalan?
Benedict de Luna.
Okay, sigaw ka. Havayanas, have a shot.
Havayanas, have a shot.
Alright, now take your shot. Okay, since walang nakakuha, pili tayo ng 4 na babae naman. Volunteer na lang, volunteer. Punta na po dito, first 2 from Ateneo, first 2 from ACLC. Punta dito. And they will shoot from the free throw line. First come, first serve basis po tayo. Punta na dito. Okay, unang 2 contender, sige na. Punta na dito. Dalawa na lang from Ateneo. Okay, we have 1 and 2 from Ateneo. Meron ba? Sige, habang nag-aantay, anong pangalan?
Jesseline po.
Ayan. Sinong sinusuportahan?
Boyfriend ko!
Sana all! Okay, sigaw tayo. Havayanas, have a shot!
Havayanas, have a shot!
Okay, sir, bigay natin ang bola kay ma'am. Free throw line, free throw line. Okay, we have 1 from Ateneo. We need another 1. Free throw line. Wow! Game face on! I-cheer nyo naman, ACLC! Almost, but good try. Thank you. Sa Ateneo naman tayo. Pangalan, ma'am?
Friends po.
Franz. Okay, Franz, sigaw ka. Havayanas, have a shot.
Havayanas, have a shot!
Now, take your shot, Franz. Sayang! Mukhang mailap ang ating Havayanas merchandise. Pangalan?
Hazel po.
Okay, sigaw ka. Havayanas, have a shot.
Havayanas, have a shot.
Alright, take your shot at the free throw line, Angel. Hits the rim but not the basket. Ma'am, anong pangalan?
Karen.
Sino po ang sinusuportahan?
Ateneo.
Alright, sigaw ka ma'am. Havayanas, have a shot.
Havayanas, have a shot.
Now, take your shot. Eto na, sana naman may makakuha na. Kapag wala, 4 na lalaki sa free throw line naman. Sayang. Okay, I think we need 4 volunteers. 1 male, 1 female. 1 male, 1 female. Okay, may nauna ng lalaki, babae. Babae na lang kailangan. Babae, isang lalaki, isang babae. Okay? Umpisa tayo, ladies first. Sige, Jack and Poy kayo kung sino una. 1, 2, Jack and Poy. Or pila na lang, pila. Kung sino manalo, mauuna. Okay? Sige, anong pangalan?
Ada Simando.
Okay. Sigaw ka, Havayanas, have a shot.
Havayanas, have a shot!
Okay, take your shot at the free throw line. Sayang. Okay, we have 1 girl from ACLC. Pangalan?
Camille Tana po.
Camille. Sigaw ka, Havayanas, have a shot.
Havayanas, have a shot!
Alright, take your shot. That's the energy. Eto na. Sana naman may makakuha na ng ating Havayanas merchandise. Sayang. Eto naman, sa free throw line. Pangalan, sir?
Yuri po.
Yuri, sigaw ka, Havayanas, have a shot.
Havayanas, have a shot.
Take your shot, Yuri. Okay, mukhang player ito, si Yuri. Sayang, mukhang may sumpa ang ating ring. Pangalan?
Vincent.
Vincent, sigaw ka. Havayanas, have a shot.
Havayanas, have a shot!
Alright, mukhang sikat ito si Vincent. Tingnan natin kung siya na ang unang mananalo ng ating Havayanas merchandise. Wala pa rin. Okay, one more. Pangalan?
Chacha.
Chacha, alam mo na ang isisigaw?
Havayanas, have a shot!
Go, Chacha, your way in to get that merchandise. Hanap pa tayo? Isa na lang po. Okay, so that ends our game. Sayang, walang nanalo. See you next weekend! Okay.
At deadlock. No good for Ateneo. Bola ngayon ng ACLC. 4-3. No good. Another attempt, no good. Offensive rebound dito. Number 21 may daan ng bola. Pass to 25. 4-3. No good again. Offensive rebound once again.
Hawks. Pero, traveling violation ang itinawag dito. Kaya Naga yung travel the doors. Naga yung live your dreams. Create memories. And yun nga partner, halftime analysis muna tayo. So to end our quarter, both teams are deadlocked 39 and 39. 2-point percentage of the ACLC 48% and the Golden Knights 39%. Field goals naman makikita natin ang difference. 17 ang na-make ng ACLC Hawks while the Golden Knights only 12 out of 35. 34% percentage ng Golden Knights and 35% naman para sa Hawks. And in terms of defensive rebounds, mas malaki ang nagawa ng Golden Knights, and also sa total rebounds, 24 ang rebounds ng Golden Knights. Pero 10 assists para sa Hawks and very crucial turnovers for the Golden Knights. And also to give us an update sa side ng ACLC Hawks, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Zai. Hi Zai, ano balita natin dyan?
We are back in game, Adnu and LA. The Hawks are sticking to their game plan similar to the first quarter. But this time, they are aiming on the center player to shoot. It's a death. Nagkakatikitan nga ang score sa dalawang teams during the last 1 minute. But the Hawks are bouncing back and doing their best to push through the heat of the moment. Iyan lang ang updates ko dito sa best ng Sorry Hawks. Balik sa inyo, Adnu and LA.
Thank you so much, Sai. So, the ACLC really have to head-to-head against Ateneo Junior Knights para makalamang sila dito sa quarter na ito.
Kaya wala pang nakakascore dito sa ating third quarter until jersey number 21 draws the first point for this third quarter. 2-point lead ang hawak dito ng Hawks as the Golden Knights now on the offense. Claro baskets, pero foul. May foul na nakita doon ng ating referee and he will be shooting for 2 free throws. And also, to to give us an update sa side ng ating Golden Knights. Tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Angel Magis. Afternoon, Angel. Anong balita natin dyan?
LAN Alden off to the hot third quarter of the game. Trying to regain the power, Coach Gab and Coach Mac are stressing the players to take their time to strengthen their box-out defense. They are also trying to tell the players to strongly be inspired with their pass experience and to pass the ball properly. Thus, stay tuned as they fight to regain the momentum. I will back more updates.
Thank you so much, Angel. So dito naman sa Ateneo, they're stressing to focus on their defense and passing the ball properly.
Halos hindi na tayo magkarinigan, partner, dahil sa magkamayaw at lakas ng drum beats from both of the respective communities, the ACLC and the Ateneo community. Moving back to our ball game, Golden Knights run in, has the ball, passes it to jersey number 12. Pero stripped away dito ng Hawks. Jersey number 23, no good. No good sa layup ng Hawks. Pero may foul na nakita doon ang ating referees.
And bola pa rin yan ng Junior Knights. We'll see if makakahabol ba sila dito sa 2-point deficit ng Hawks.
Hawks now on the offense. Inside pass. Outside. Jersey number 34. No good. Still a 2-point lead. Stolen here by jersey number 5 of the Hawks. Bautista. And gets that shot. As the Golden Knights still struggling to get their first point this quarter as jersey number 24 gets that block. Montana.
And 8 seconds on the shot clock here for the Ateneo. Ateneo to inbound. Pass to number 12.
Ranin. Claro. 2-pointer. Pero may foul na nakita doon ng ating referee and Claro will be shooting for 2 free throws. Shoutout naman natin dito si Eliza Respeto na nanunood dito sa Bucal Season 5.
No good for that first attempt. Sayang yon.
Claro will be attempting his second free throw.
Another unfortunate shoot there. Bola ngayon ng ACLC.
Hawks ngayon.
At 2-point. No good. Makukuha ulit yan ng ACLC. And inside. That's right on the basket.
5 minutes. We are now down to our 5-minute mark in this third quarter. Ateneo Golden Knights still struggling to create their first point in this quarter as jersey number 12 passes to jersey number 27. Inside pass failed. Jersey number 7, 3-pointer. No good. Rebound here by Claro. Pass it to number 7. Foul dito si jersey number 7. And they will be shooting for 2 free throws. Peña Redondo.
Alam mo, LA, napaparami nga dito sa quarter na to ang foul ng ACLC. And they're giving a free opportunity for the Golden Knights.
Now jersey number 7, Peña Redondo, a chance to get their first point this quarter and cutting down the lead just to 5 points. And failed to connect those 2 free throws.
At bola ngayon ng ACLC. Pass to number 21. And that was traveling.
Naga yun. Travel and tours. Naga, you live your dreams, create memories. Substitution dito ang Golden Knights.
Bola ngayon ng Ateneo. We'll see if makakadikit sila dito sa kalamangan ng ACLC. No good. A defensive rebound here for ACLC. Number 34 to shoot. No good.
Ranin on the offense. Layup. Basket's good. Plus a foul. A 3-point play opportunity. And that ends the scoring drought for the Golden Knights.
Ang ganda ng tira na yon. At nakakuha nga ng foul si Ranin here. They're just down 4 points for this quarter. And Ranin to shoot.
I think we are seeing here some words with the referee. Pero 3-point play opportunity na dito ngayon ni John Ranin of the Golden Knights.
Wasted opportunity, LA. Balik sa ACLC. Ang bola. 4-3. No good. Makukuha ng Ateneo yan.
Ranin spins, passes it to jersey number 7. Layup.
Wala pa rin. ACLC will have the chance to get a point here. And pasok yun.
Golden Knights now on the offense. Jersey number 7, Peña Redondo passes it to jersey number 27. Long three-pointer.
No good. ACLC. And there's a whistle here.
Ball possession dito ng Hawks, and we are hearing here the chant of the Ateneo community. Get that ball as the Ateneo now on defense. Hawks on offense. Jersey number 25, 3-pointer. No good. Pero may foul na kita doon ng ating referee. 2 free throws for the Golden Knights.
At painit na nga ang laban. 3 minutes and 48 seconds as we head onto our 4th quarter. A free throw for Ateneo. A wasted opportunity for Amador. Another chance for him. No good again. ACLC ang bola.
Still
Trinidad.
Golden Knights
May
struggling
dala ng
on their
bola.
free throws. Golden Knights stolen the jersey number 3, pass to jersey number 18, slips that ball, but that ball will be going to the side of the ACLC Hawks. At napatawag na dito ng timeout ang ACLC Hawks with 3 minutes and 28 seconds remaining here. This is Bucal Season 5, only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
Sir, they make another joke so bago, sorry. And we are back here live at Ateneo de Naga GYMNASIUM 47 to 41. Lamang nga dito ang ACLC sa ating third quarter at 3 minutes and 28 seconds.
You see now here, Coach JP going on the center court as the Hawks now on the offense. Hawks to inbound the ball. Javier on the offense. Jersey number 24. Trinidad passes it to jersey number 25. Two-pointer. That's good. An 8-point lead here from the courtesy of the Hawks. As the Golden Knights now on the offense. Jersey number 3 pass to jersey number 23. Closes it. Hawks now on the offense. Jersey number 22 rushing. Layup. No good. And gets that revenge two-pointer. As the Golden Knights will be calling a timeout to shorten or make an adjustments and create new game plans this quarter. As you can see, the Hawks now in a 10-point lead. So partner, I can't even predict. Pati ako kinakabahan din sa matchup ngayong hapon. I can't even predict who will win this match kasi both teams are competitive.
Speaking of competitive, partner, actually talagang palitan lang dito ng puntos. However, the ACLC have really a high percentage in terms of their shooting, kaya nakaka-push through sila. Dito naman sa Ateneo talagang kinakapitan nila and really gaining their momentum, but the ACLC is in this quarter, I could say that they're unstoppable, but Ateneo shouldn't let ACLC to push through and really have the huge gap coming for our next quarter, which is the last and fourth quarter.
A dominant side of the Hawks we are seeing here in this quarter as we are now ready to roll in this continuation of the third quarter. Hawks maintaining their lead to 10 points as the Golden Knights now in offense to inbound the ball. Jersey number 7 of the Golden Knights nagdadala ng bola. Guarded here by jersey number 24, Trinidad. Still no good for the Golden Knights as jersey number 25 rushing gets that 2 points. Del Rosario.
At bola ngayon ng Ateneo. Titingnan natin kung makakapunto sila.
Pero may foul na itawag doon ng ating referee and the Golden Knights will be shooting for 2 free throws.
And a free throw here for Jacob. A clean basket.
At last, a free throw. Good for the Golden Knights. And looking to get a 2 for 2 free throws.
No good at that time. Ball possession ng ACLC. A fast break. And that's a point.
Golden Knights now on the offense. Jersey number 27. Running, rushing. Inside pass to jersey number 12. Basket plus a foul. A 3-point play opportunity here for jersey number 12, Sarmiento, as he will step on the line for 1 free throw. And also to cut the lead just to 10 points. 55 and 44 ang ating score this quarter. 1 minute and 57 seconds.
At free throw na naman nga dito ang Ateneo. Sarmiento to shoot. And a clean basket.
Hawks ngayon on the offense. Trinidad passes it to jersey number 25. Jersey number 2 guarded. Double team by the Golden Knights. Stolen here by the Golden Knights. Claro. Eurostep. No good. Inside pass again to Sarmiento. Hawks ngayon on the offense. Stolen here by Ranin. Claro. Libreng-libre. Layup. That's good. Hawks now on the offense. Bantay agad dito ang Golden Knights. A sense of urgency from the Golden Knights.
At bola ngayon ng ACLC. A try is no good.
A streak of shots we are seeing here from the Golden Knights this late third quarter. Very tense matchup and very tense defense. A pressuring defense from the Golden Knights.
That's counted. Wow, palitan dito ng puntos. 45 seconds remaining. 57-49 for our third quarter.
Hawks now. A chance for a 3-point play opportunity. Javier. Free throw. No good. Defensive rebound here by the Golden Knights. Sarmiento. Miscommunication there. It's jersey number 1 of the Hawks. Will be shooting there. Good for 2 points. Back to 10-point lead from the Hawks. Basket's good. Plus a foul for jersey number 27, Nico Jacob. A championship match atmosphere here inside the gymnasium.
Talagang hindi po nagpapatinag ang dalawang team na ito. Habol kong habol and free throw ngayon ang Ateneo. Jacob to shoot. And that's basket.
17 seconds to create a play to end this third quarter as jersey number 2 of the Hawks. Again, Barredo. Good for 2 points. Jacob, pass it. Jersey number 7, but a miscommunication there. 0.60 seconds remaining here. That is the end of the third quarter. Hawks 61, Golden Knights 52. This is Bucal Season 5 only here on Oragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon. quarter. Hawks still in the lead. It's anybody's ball game this quarter. Golden Knights on the offense. Jacob. Passes to Ranin. Layup by Ranin. In and out.
And that's counted. Fast break for the Hawks.
Jacob may dala ng bola. Inside pass. But that's gonna be a traveling violation called to Ranin, and that traveling violation is brought to you by Naga Travel and Tours. Live your dreams, create memories.
At ball possession nga ngayon. Ball sa inbound ng ACLC. Number 14 may dala ng bola, papasok. Pass to number 25. That's the basket.
Del Rosario gets that two-pointer as the Golden Knights now trailing here. Jacob passes it to Ranin. The jersey number 17.
And another traveling at hatid sa inyo yan ng Nagayon Travel and Tours. Nagayon, live your dreams, create memories.
65 and 52. And to give us an update sa side ng ating ATENEO Golden Knights, tawagin natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Angel. Hi Angel, match this afternoon. Anong balita natin dyan?
Aljon and LA, we are now at the last quarter of the game. The Hawks are leading the game. In a strategic move, Coach Mac regroups the player as they trail the Hawks. He aims for the player to strengthen their man-to-man defense. He also highlighted to take care of the ball and shoot that free throw. The station as they fight to slash a comeback on the court. That's a live test update from the bench of the Junior Golden Knights. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much. And Angel, so Mac Tripoca and the head coach of Ateneo really reminding the boys to solidify their man-to-man defense. Kasi magaganda ang shooting ngayon ng ACLC.
Usually kasi, nagmaman-to-man ang depensa kapag they are on the offense para hindi na sila mahabol pa ng opponent. And to give us an update sa side ng ating Hawks, tawagan natin ang ating courtside reporter na si Zai. Hi Zai, anong balita natin dyan?
LA and Aljun, as we're about to witness the last quarter between the ACLC and the Ateneo, we can see how anticipated the crowd here is at the Ateneo Gymnasium. Sino ba namang hindi mag-anticipate sa ganitong klaseng laban? As the Hawks begin to spread their wings and begin their flight on their way to victory. And the Hawks are now transitioning from a man-to-man to a 1-2-2 zone defense. When it comes to their mantra of their offense, they are planning to go hard in every layup that they attempt. They have a lot more to come and give, kaya stay tuned lamang here on Bucal Facebook page and Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga kampiyon. Back to you, Aljon and El.
Thank you so much, guys. So dito naman sa side ng Hawks, they're trying to solidify their defense to restrict the Ateneo Golden Knights in terms of their shooting. And that's right on the basket, Jacob.
Hawks now on the offense. Stepping on the line. Ball possession will be going to the Golden Knights. Golden Knights going strong this fourth quarter, 7 minutes remaining.
And a
Side
steal
pass, failed to connect
for the
there.
ACLC Hawks, LA, jersey number 25. And a foul. At baka kakuha nga dito ng free throw, jersey number 25 ng ECLC, Del Rosario. No, rather to inbound the ACLC. And that's good.
Back to 10 points. Ang kalamangan dito ng Hawks. As Jacob now on the offense. Jersey number 23, three-pointer of the Ateneo Golden Knights. No good. Hawks on the offense. Jersey number 5 goes inside the basket. Bautista makes that shot. Jacob passes to the corner. Three-pointer, no good. Blocked there by the Hawks. Hawks heavily pressured here by the Golden Knights as Claro picks up that rebound. Inside pass.
No good pa rin sa Ateneo. ACLC now. Jersey number 25, papasok to shoot. No good. Defensive rebound ng Junior Knights. Jacob may dala ng bola.
Jersey number 3. Ball strip. Pero may foul na nakita doon ng ating referee. (70-58) ang ating score in favor of the Hawks. 12-point lead ang hawak dito ng Hawks as Claro fails to make that first free throw attempt. And we are seeing here the Hawks are on a cusp of a blowout here. And ball will stay on the side of the Golden Knights.
Ateneo to inbound. No good. Makukuha yan ng Hawks. Number 21.
Crucial turnover there by the Hawks as Golden Knights on the offense. Inside pass to Ranin.
No good pa rin sa Ateneo.
Substitution here by the Golden Knights. As Ranin inbound the ball. Jersey number 3 inside pass to Ranin. Layup. That's good. Shorting the lead just to 10 points.
Bola ngayon ng ACLC. Jersey number 5 papasok. Pass to number 12, nahihirapan dito.
And that's gonna be a traveling violation committed here by jersey number 12. And that is brought to you by Nagayon Travel and Tours. Nagayon, live your dreams, create memories. 5 minutes and 22 seconds remaining here in the fourth quarter. Hawks holding on to their 10-point lead. A 1-2-2 defense here set by the Hawks.
No good. Offensive rebound dito ang Ateneo. Another try. No good again. Makukuha yan ng ACLC. Jersey number 5 may hawak ng bola. Pass number 5. Number 14. No good.
May foul doon na nakita ang ating referee on that sequence. As the Golden Knights in possession. It's still anybody's ball game this quarter as Ranin inside play by Ranin. Basket's good for Ranin. 8-point lead for the Hawks. That's going to be out of bounds. Ball possession of the Golden Knights.
Ball possession ngayon ng Ateneo. Chance na makahabol dito sa ating fourth quarter. 4 minutes and 24 seconds here. No good for that assist. At 3. No good.
Golden Knights now on the offense. Passes it to Jacob. Runs to the basket. No good. Tip in by Rane. No good. Hawks again. In offense. Hawks. 2-pointer. No good.
And that's right on the basket, LA.
Back to 10-point lead ang Hawks. Ranin. Inside pass.
No good pa rin. The Junior Golden Knights. A pass. ACLC taking their time here. 10 seconds on the shot clock. And a steal for the Ateneo, an open shot. That's good.
3 minutes remaining here in the fourth and final quarter. Hawks now. Pass to jersey number 5, Bautista. Bautista. Pass it to the corner.
No good. Makuha ng ACLC ulit. A rebound. And basket
by Bautista. Golden Knights on the offense. Jacob passes it to jersey number 7. Jacob spins. Pero that's gonna be a crucial turnover for the Golden Knights. At napatawag na dito ng timeout ang Ateneo Golden Knights. They are really on a hurry this quarter since the Hawks now really trying to win this game and they are holding to a 10-point lead this fourth quarter.
So talaga namang ACLC really working hard because of their fast transition. Madali sila nakakabalik and nakakakuha ng puntos. Also maganda din yung kanilang communication skills, talagang really contributing, and also the crowd. Wow.
And it is also the first time this ACLC and the Ateneo Golden Knights have fought this basketball matchup in Bucal. And we see also the amount of support that both schools are receiving right now. And back to the ball game. Tayo ngayon dito. 2 minutes and 27 seconds remaining here in the quarter. And the Hawks now on the offense.
Trinidad.
Ranin.
May dala ng bola. Number 21 to shoot. No good here. And a foul.
Golden Knights on the offense. Ranin. Corner, 3-pointer. No good.
Last 2 minutes, LA.
And tumawag na nga dito ng last 2 minutes ang ating SBP Bucal headed by Eman Faraon. 1 minute and 54 seconds remaining here in the fourth and final quarter. A 10-point lead for the Hawks. Hawks now on the offense. To Trinidad.
Goes to number 25 for 3. No good.
Claro now on the offense. Passes to Ranin. Layup. That's good. The Hawks now.
An inside pass. No good. Wala pa rin. Makukuha yan ng ACLC ulit. Out of bounds. Trinidad to inbound. And that's basket.
Good court vision there from the Hawks as they make that shot. Nagbabalik sa 10-point lead dito ang Hawks as we are nearing the end of this fourth quarter. Ranin, nagmamadali. 55 seconds. 2 free throws here for Ranin.
And a 52 seconds. 76 and 66 of the Ateneo Junior Golden Knights. Can ACLC dominate this match or can Ateneo
bounce back?
Yes, bounce back kasi 1-0 ang dalawang team na to. Titingnan natin kung sino ba ang magtatap sa bracket nila after this match. No good from that first free throw. Another try for Ranin. No good again.
Hawks now on the offense. Guarded here by Jacob. Hawks now trying to kill time here as jersey number 5 takes that 3-pointer. No good. Ranin. May foul doon na nakita ang ating referee. Hawks still in the lead. 33.97 seconds remaining here in the fourth quarter.
And the crowds, LA, are feeling it. Their first win against a strong Ateneo Junior Golden Knights. No good for that first free throw. Alam mo, LA, kahit elimination pa lang, kung talaga namang you'll defeat a strong team, it feels like a championship win, right?
Yes. And iba talaga kapag nakataya ang undefeated record kasi yung atmosphere ng fans inside this gymnasium is very welcoming. And also, nakakadagdag din to or nagpo-boost ng confidence and morale sa ating players.
ACLC sumasalaksak 25, no good. Makukuha pa rin yan ng ACLC. No good again.
And I think that's gonna be it, partner.
10 seconds remaining on the shot clock.
One second remaining here in this quarter. And the ACLC community very excited as the Hawks now will be trailing 2-0 against the Golden Knights. A very sad moment here for the Ateneo community, but that's basketball. May mananalo, may matatalo talaga dito. And still, props to the Ateneo community for showing their hearts out and showing their love to the community and also to the Ateneo Golden Knights. And that's gonna be it. Hawks defeated the Golden Knights A great show of respect here from both teams. And mamaya lamang makikilala natin ang ating best player of the game from the ACLC Hawks. Kaya tutok lang mga kaibigan. This is Bucal Season 5 only here on Aragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
The fastest growing fiber internet got even faster. Again, dahil ang doble na, di noble pa. Converge Fiber X Plan 1.5 from 100 Mbps is now 200 Mbps. Doble ulit ang bilis, doble ulit ang sulit. If you're an existing subscriber, automatic upgrade ito. And if you want to make it permanent, just agree to our new terms and conditions. As simple as that, no new application, and it's absolutely free. New Converge Fiber X Plan 1.5. Ang dobleng sulit, new offers from Converge. Doble na, di noble pa!
Big or small celebration, make it special, make it big.
Mga kaibigan, the Hawks have finally landed. Yan ang phrase na masasabi ko as I witnessed their gameplay laban sa Ateneo Golden Knights. Kaya naman para sa mas exciting na update, dumako na tayo sa Best Player of the Game brought to you by Lemon Residence. Our Best Player of the Game, jersey number 25, Del Rosario with 16 points, 18 rebounds, 6 assists, 4 steals, and 1 block. Kaya naman si Terence Del Rosario, magandang araw sa iyo, Del Rosario.
Ano ba?
Magandang araw sa iyo.
Magandang araw na ba?
So as the best player of the game, ano ang motivation mo para pagigihan ang laro mo for today?
Yun po, yung mga practice namin, yung mga pinaghihirapan namin. Yung pamili ko po, gala coach po, so, yun lang po.
As you join the Season 5 of Bucal, sa tingin mo, ano ang pinaka paborito mong memory and natutunan mo dito this season?
Yun lang po, yung mga teammates ko po, napakasaya po. Hindi ko po malilimutan. Yun lang po, kay coach.
Would you like to thank someone or shout out?
Shoutout kay mama, kay papa na laging sumusuporta sa akin, kay kuya, kay ate, kay coach Diz, kay coach Frederick po, tsaka sa Team Sentinels po, salamat po. Saka sa Team LCLC, kay Boss Adrian po. Thank you po.
Maraming salamat, Del Rosario. And there we have it, jersey number 25, our best player of the game. That's all for our report here at the Ateneo de Naga Gymnasium. Thank you so much. Back to the panel.
And that's our best player of the game. But first, would like to congratulate the ACLC for defeating a big and really bold Ateneo Junior Golden Knights. So, LA, basahin mo na sa kanya.
So siya si jersey number 25, Elrens Del Rosario with 16 points, 18 rebounds, 6 assists, 4 steals, and 1 block. A double-double figures we are seeing here from the ACLC Hawks after winning this game. And also, pasalamatan din natin ang ating mga media partners, One Media, TV48 Naga, Bucal Facebook page at Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon, and also to the supporters of both teams and also Team Bahay, live stream viewers. But unfortunately, that is all the time we had. See you next week for another thrilling basketball action only here on Bucal Season 5. I am Luis Alexander, LA Lapid, at kasama ko si...
I'm Aljon Sivulupogoy.
And this is Bucal Season 5 only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. See you next week, mga kaibigan.